color doesn't exactly match. There's a little bit of the OMNI tack is more matte, and then hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're going to do round 3 of the OMNI Power Tack install. Sorry for the extended saga on this install. All of the bugs seem to have been fixed in terms of the issues that I was seeing with the waviness of the needle and just the inaccuracies overall of the tack. So I'm super happy with that. I did do an initial test drive before even starting this video just to make sure that we're all good and we don't run into a continued saga episode 4 or 5 of this OMNI tack install. An additional issue that I did run into was related to the adapter that I bought on Amazon here. What was happening was when I was threading this piece right here all the way down into the block, this additional hole here just wasn't in an optimal location for reinstalling the original oil pressure gauge, or just really installing another any kind of sensor itself, just because the position had been facing towards some hoses. I ended up ordering this piece right here from this company called Jack Spania Racing. Let's get a closer look at what's going on here. This is the original adapter that I bought from Amazon. As I was mentioning, once you threaded this all the way into the block to seat, this additional hole here just was pointed in a less than optimal position to get the sensor on here. This piece right here, and you can see that there are multiple ports here. So I'm hoping, I guess multiple ports and a jam nut. So I'm hoping that once I get this piece here threaded into the block, that I can kind of move this head to wherever I need to move it to get the oil pressure switch to seat in a more ideal location. All right, I think what we're going to do first is we're going to get the base installed into the block. Looks like it's a 7/8. I've seen videos of people snapping these into the block, so I'm going to be really careful about how tight I put this. I don't think it needs much. All right, now we'll get this adapter installed and figure out what position we need it in. I think we got it. All right, try to show you guys the setup here. So this is the switch that goes to the oil pressure gauge, and then we got the Jack Spania oil adapter installed. Looks funny, but that's as much as I was able to thread it in. That is where we're at. So I'm going to go ahead and turn on the car and see if we have any oil leaks. So far so good. we're good. No surprises. Apologies in advance for the terrible windshield. Just washed my car and did not dry it, so bear with me. Alright guys, looks like everything is working on the gauge as it should. Again, big shout out to Steve from OMNI Power for stepping in and helping to resolve the issue quickly. If you guys are interested in getting one of these tacks, just to shake things up, definitely recommend it. That being said, the last thing to check when I get home is just to see if there's any oil leaks with the adapter that I'm putting in. I hope you guys enjoyed the Sunday cruise with the new OMNI tack. Have a good day, and we'll see you guys in the next one.